Hello friends, so welcome back. I am Suhail Khan and you are watching CCNA Expert channel because if you want to become an expert, learn from expert. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to block one single host to use FTP service by using extended access list. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start that time. But before that, please watch lecture number 25, how to access the FTP service. Then only you are going to understand this. Okay, so let's see how to block a single host. So this is our diagram and this is our FTP server. Okay, and this is a host. All right, so first I show you this host is accessing and pinging also. Okay, okay, wait. Okay, so when I do the ping, okay, and what is the IP address of the server is 30.0.0.4, 30.0.0.4, and don't forget to watch the video till the end because in this video I'm going to show you each and everything in very in detail. Okay, so my computer 10.0.0.1 is pinging to FTP server. Now let's check whether it is using FTP service or not. FTP 30.0.0.4. Yes, it is asking. So by default username is Cisco and password is also Cisco. See, so currently my 10.0.0.1 is accessing the FTP server and it can ping also. Okay. So but what I want to block this host, only this host from the whole 10 network. I want to block only one host which is 10.0.0.1 for accessing the FTP service, and this host can ping the server but cannot access the FTP service. So let's see how to do this. I'll just go to R3 router. Okay, on R3 router, okay, I will go to config mode, enable. Okay, I will go to global configuration mode and I will create one access list. So I will create an access list as a access list 110 because here if you want to block any service then you have to use extended access list. Okay, so access list 110, it means here router create a, I want to create an extended access list in which I want to deny someone. So router will ask, okay, to whom you want to deny. So I will tell that TCP protocol because FTP is a TCP protocol. So I want to deny the TCP protocol which is coming from host 10.0.0.1 and going to host 30.0.0.4. EQ means if it try to FTP. FTP port number is 21. So with the help of this command, I'm telling the router that, hey router, create an extended access list. Okay, and in which I want to deny a host 10.0.0.1 which is coming from 10.0.0.1 and going to 30.0.0.4. If it tries to do the FTP, then only it block and accept this host, permit everyone. So access this 110, permit IP any permit IP any. Okay, so accept this host, permit everyone else. Now where to apply this? So the rule of extended access list is apply the extended access list on the port which is closest and nearest to the foreign host. So this port number serial is very close to this host, right? From this host, this port is very close, right? So I will go and apply on serial port. So on R3 router, I will go interface serial 0/3/0 and I will apply IP access group 110 for all incoming packets. Okay, and I will exit from here and to show you show access list. See, here I have created show access list, so it is showing me FTP. So now let's check. Okay, I'll go to 10.0.0.1. First I'll try to ping. See, earlier it was pinging also and it was logging into FTP server also. Now we are checking this. Ping 30.0.0.4. Yes, it is pinging. Okay. Now let's try the FTP. FTP 30.0.0.4. See, trying to connect, but I'm not able to connect to FTP server or FTP service. I'm not be able to using this service because I'm blocked on this network. But if my neighbor PC, like this PC, if this PC tries to ping and telnet, then he can trying to ping an FTP, then it can see ping 30.0.0.4. Yes, it can ping the FTP server. Now FTP 30.0.0.4. Yeah, I can do FTP also from this computer. See, okay. So this is how, with the help of extended access list, you can block only one host for using an FTP services and all. Okay. So in this video, I have teach you how to block one single host to access the FTP server. In next video, I'm going to show you how to block a whole network for accessing the FTP services. Okay. And if anybody wants to take online training from me, then I give online training worldwide. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming online, and it will be a live online training. This is my WhatsApp number and this is my mail ID. You can contact me, and please subscribe the channel so that you are connected with us, and please press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for your love and support.